Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to activate silent mode on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, there is an easy way how to do it. Click on this side control button to open the control panel and click on this ring button right here. And you can actually see the status that the silent mode is turned on. To turn it off, simply click on this button again. And now it's off. Also, you can manage this mode on settings. So, click on your digital crown to open the applications on your watch and click on this settings icon. Scroll down until you will see this tab named Sounds and Haptics. Click on it, and right here you are able to control the sounds and haptics. For example, on this tab, you can manage the alert volume by rotating this digital crown. And you can also hear how loud it will be. The next step is silent mode. Right here you can turn it on or turn it off and also read the description. Next that we can see right here is headphone audio and headphone safety. You can manage it right here. And the haptics. You can disable them, or if you enable them, you can choose how much noticeable you want the haptics be, default or prominent. You'll be able to feel a vibration to know what's the difference. And if we go a little bit lower, you can see the crown haptics and the system haptics. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.